Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping. Within the sound of silence, in restless dreams I walked alone. Narrow streets of cobblestone, beneath the halo of the street lamp, I turned my collar to an golden dam. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light, it split the night and touched the sound of silence.
Great job, dancers. That was 12:52, Silent.